world is dominated by on-demand food delivery apps, including major international players like Just Eat, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Delivery Hero, Food Panda, and DoorDash.
Then there are apps that are king in a single nation, like iFood, which controls a whopping 80% of the food delivery industry in Brazil. The on-demand food delivery market. In 2011, founder of Movil, Fabrício Bloisi launched a new brand under his company and named it iFood.
Till 2021, Movil held the majority stake in iFood and Just Eats held a minority stake of 33.3%. Then in August 2022, Dutch investment company Porus purchased the 33.3% stake of Just Eats for $1.8 billion. This deal took the valuation of iFood to $5.4 billion, surpassing the valuation of its rival Colombian food delivery startup Rappi, which is valued at $5.25 billion. After this deal, iFood is now Brazil's most valued startup and the second most valuable startup in Latin America. After dominating the food delivery market in Brazil, iFood now wants to do the same in the grocery delivery market. iFood in late 2020 acquired Site Mercado, is a technology company specializing in online grocery. In less than a decade, iFood has gone from being a startup to becoming one of the biggest food delivery companies in the world.
If you want to launch a similar app like iFood to set an example like iFood and target your dominant audience with your food delivery app, then we at CodeBrew Labs are here to help you with our food delivery solution. Let your brand grace up in the food delivery market.
Book your 15 minutes free consultation with our business experts. Click on the link given in the description and sign up.